Hey guys, welcome back to Hobby Jump. Today I'm going to show you how I cast cylindrical shapes that are about 3 inches long, 2 inches in diameter for making bottle stoppers or dragon eggs, anything that's roughly that shape. We'll be using ALUMILITE clear, so let's get started. Hey guys, I appreciate you stopping by and watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button and the subscribe button for future videos. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on future content. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.